I'm Rachel Padilla. I'm an artist. On an almost daily basis, I use tools for various projects. They're very important to me. Today, I'd love to show you some of my favorite hand tools. First up, a tool that is nothing short of magical. These are the Mephisto No. 95 slip joint pliers. And Mephisto has been making tools since the 1830s in Hudson, New York. I have no idea how old my pair is. They are vintage and collectible. They feel great in the hand, and they are my go-to pliers. This is the Nepros Phillips screwdriver number 2. Because that's what size screws I most commonly use for my projects. This is no flimsy screwdriver. It's got a great weight, and that wooden handle fits so well in my small hands and makes driving screws easy. Also made in Japan is my Lobster adjustable wrench. In addition to having a really great little logo, see the lobster there? It is lightweight, it is slim, and once again fits great in my small hands. Crink K7D, permanent ink marker made in New York City, not just for art. As is often the case in life, the perfect tool for the job may not be an option. My perfect tools won't fit in my pocket, but this will. It's no crink, but it does have a pen, and it's not a Mephisto No. 95, but it does have pliers. And it isn't a Nepros screwdriver. It's not even the right size, but it is a screwdriver. It's important to be aware of imitations. This is a switchblade, perfect for opening packages and letters. This, however, is a comb, perfect for combing hair. Well, not my hair. Then there's this. I've had this hammer most of my life. It is neglected, it is rusty, it is dirty, and it needs repair. It is this hammer that my father presented to me when I was about 9 years old. Whenever he was working in his shop, I was underfoot. I had a lot of questions. What is this for? What does that do? How does that work? Can I help? It hadn't occurred to me until I started this project that maybe I was annoying, which was a first for me because there were definitely times I tried to be annoying. I had lots of brothers and sisters to practice that craft with. But it was never the case when he was working on something. It was genuine curiosity. I liked the smell of sawdust, the sound of hammering, of drills, of an electric saw or a hand saw. Perhaps the gift of a hammer was an invitation to make something of my own. Perhaps it was just to get me out of the way. But unlike my other tools that have a beautiful design or superior craftsmanship in that design, there's not even a maker's mark on this hammer. It probably came from the local dime store or the sale bin at the local hardware store. My hammer has been with me a long time, neglected and often forgotten in old toolboxes in the backs of sheds and garages and basements. Compared to my other tools, there's nothing special about it. It doesn't bear the brand name of a quality tool. It does, however, bear a mark, carved by my father's hand, is my misspelled name. Spelling was among my father's limitations. This hammer was ordinary, but a well-intended and personally customized gift of love. Now it exists in a new way, elevated. I call this piece Love and Limitation, and I thank you so much for watching.